Hello everyone, it's just Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two O-Cedar mops. On the left, we got the H2 Pro flat mop. And here we have the O-Cedar spin mop. We're going to see how each one of them cleans up this big muddy mess. Let me explain them both a little bit now. H2O Pro, it has a clean water tank that is separate from the dirty water tank. So right here, you're going to fill this up with water. Now it doesn't hold a whole lot of water, it holds about 44 ounces. You fill it up right there. You can put your clean water and your chemical in there, your floor cleaning chemical. And then over here is where you're going to scrape it off and the dirty water stays in the dirty water tank. On the spin mop, you're going to put your clean water and your dirty, the dirty water ends up in the same place. Now, no batteries are required over here on the H2 Pro, but let's take a look. And then there's the flat mop. This has got a really cool feature. So as you push it in, it's going to squirt clean water onto the mop pad. Again, no batteries. It's all mechanical. Every time I push down, water gets squirted. Now I can scrape it off. It goes into the dirty water tank. Again, watch. That's so cool. All right. Now over here, the spin mop, you spin with your foot. Okay, so you're going to take the mop. Again, it's a quite a bit bigger mop head. All right. Water, and so it's clean right now, but you're going to spin it with your foot. That's going to get it dry. All right, now we're gonna mop with them. Okay, first let's mop with the flat mop, okay? Again, I can do this all right here. Get it wet, let's leave it wet. And now with the flat mop, I feel like I can get a little bit more pressure. Now it's not able to capture as much dirt, okay? And then I gotta go back. I can scrape it off. Put some clean water back on. Now I'm going to dry mop. So scrape, get it nice and dry. All right. Now this area is clean. All right. Let's try the spin mop. All right. I already got it. Now I may want it a little bit wetter than I got it pretty dry. And I'm going to be in control of it by how much I spin it. So there, I didn't spin it much. Definitely able to capture a lot more dirt. Pick up that's a bigger mop head. But now when I put it in, the dirty water is going to go in with the clean water. I'm kind of making a mess. Now I can, really spin it. Now let's do some dry mopping. That is pretty dry. I do feel like I can get the spin mop pad drier, if that makes any sense. I feel like it's still pretty wet, but it does feel like it's mopping drier than the flat mop. Now I can really scrub with this. Now taking this off, I can throw this in the laundry. And then over here, I can take this one off also and throw it in the laundry also for the flat mop. Now when I'm done, I'm gonna take this one, again, take the clean water tank off, and then I can dump out my dirty water. In the dirty water tank, it's all in here. Over here, I'm gonna have to take this, it can hold quite a bit more water, and then dump it out. It's a little bit heavier. So maybe for some bigger muddy messes, the spin mop, maybe for like some more detailed, more precise cleaning, the H2 flat mop. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.